Hello, I have a rubber stamp haul from a Taiwanese shop called Our Studio. This is their card, and I had been eyeing these stamps for quite a while. This is their packaging, which I thought was quite lovely. And so I'll go ahead and open these. These are basically embroidery framed rubber stamps. So yeah, these are basically embroidery hoops. The name of the designer, Our Studio, is here. A window one, a circle one, and an oval one. And I think they look really nice. I'll go ahead and test them on these pieces of paper real quick. And so I'll test this round one first. Okay, and so that's how it looks like. For this, oval one. Very nice. I'm pretty happy with that. And then lastly is this window frame one. Yeah, that's the window. This is the circle. And this one is the oval. I love how they look. I'm gonna go ahead and test it on the Tomoe River paper. This is the Chachihata ink pad. Okay, that looks lovely. I want to try to, basically I'm going to let this dry a bit. I want to try to cut the inside part. So I am doing a bit of journaling. In the meantime, I do want to, as I wait for this to dry, I'm going to cut some pet tape. I bought this cutting mat recently and I actually really like it. I bought it from Amazon. It's a, what size is it? It's an A4 size. I bought it from Amazon for about like, I think $7 or so, which I thought was a good price. Okay, and so I have these girls, a peon. I think this one would work. Let's try with this. Sorry about the lighting. It's there's a lot of like cloudiness. There's a lot of clouds outside. And so what I want to try to do, I have a precision cutter over here that I bought sometime last year. And so I want to try to basically cut out this window. I'll see how that goes. I would need to, I'll put this underneath here and I'll see how that works. I've never cut through Tomoe River paper, so okay. Okay, so that actually worked out pretty well. There's the window. And so you now have a window inside. Okay. Now the next part, the next thing I'm going to do is kind of want to decorate in here. Let me set everything up. This is Chinese text that was in the Freckles tea tape. Maybe I can layer things. That's what I'm gonna do. I think this would be the time where my precision tweezers comes in handy. Okay. Okay, so that is what it looks like. It took a little bit of a while. I'm pretty happy with it. And so it's like a window into August type of theme. Today is actually July 31st. And so I would also need to, obviously now there's a hole on this side. But it would be interesting because I can also do a window through this way. So I can like decorate this part. But for now, this is what I'm gonna do. And then maybe later tonight, like on my own, I'll go ahead and journal on the other sides. I just wanted to see how this would work out on Tomoe River paper. And I actually really like this effect. Like this window. And obviously there's the circle ones. and the oval ones, and you can pretty much do that with both of them as well.